Hey, what's going on, friend? Juan Pablo here. I have a credit repair company, and I'm just on my chill vibes right now. Just kicking it with Rudy, cameraman in the back. Say what's up, Rudy.
Yo.
Man, don't let me disrespect you like that. He ain't the cameraman. He's the production manager, man. Top dog. But let's get to the point. Bad credit is not the end of the world. It sickens me when people who have bad credit just sweep it under the rug. They say, oh, I'll just figure out a workaround. You know what I'll do? I'll just try to Western Union this. Or I'll try to get this utility in so-and-so's name, my kid's name. Oh, you know what else I would do? I would just find another job because I ain't get qualified with my credit. You know what? I'm not gonna live in the house I really wanna live because my credit will not allow me to get qualified for a mortgage. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rent in a less desirable neighborhood. Aren't you tired of settling for less? Let that sink in. Do you really wanna live a lifestyle in which you can't get the things you want out of life as a result of bad credit? Again, it's not the end of the world. I don't want you walking around feeling dejected. I don't want you walking around feeling that you can't have the best things in life, because in my personal opinion, you deserve the best things in life. Why? Simply put, you live, I live, we live in a world of abundance. Despite your religious beliefs, you might have heard that heaven has streets paved with gold and that they have the pearly gates. So in my opinion, if the streets are gold and the gates are pearl, God is a God of abundance. And if you're his child, then you should have abundance as well. It's just like when I go to the refrigerator. And I don't have any kids, but my nephew comes and tries to get something out the refrigerator. You know, what's mine is yours. Eat as much as you want. I don't care. Because if I got it, you got it. So you should have that same mindset. If God got it, my Father in heaven, then I got it too. But if your credit doesn't have it, then by all means, you don't have it. And as a result of your credit, you're living a less quality life. Why settle for less when you can live in a world of abundance? When I started to repair my own credit, that's how I created a credit repair company. I realized this. Wow. I have much more options now available to me. Wow, I can get the best terms and drive the best car. And make sure you show them a clip, Rudy, at I-8. And you know what? With the best credit, I can qualify for the best mortgages because I'm a real estate investor. With the best credit, I can live in the best property. Simply because it's a representation of your credit worthiness of a borrower. Now back to the Bible. Here he goes talking about the Bible. It says in the Psalms, it says a wicked man borrows without intention to repay. And it says in Proverbs 22:1, a good name is more desirable than silver and gold. A good name represents your credit worthiness. Your FICO score is a numerical representation of your good credit. A good name is more desirable than silver and gold, than money in the bank. Trust me, firsthand, once I got my credit fixed and had all these options available to me, I felt abundant. I felt confident that I could walk into any bank, any creditor, any lending institution, and know that I'll get qualified with the best terms. It's amazing. And I want you to have that same feeling, that same experience. I don't care if you're applying for a mortgage, or auto loan, or any other type of financing out there, that you can walk into that lending institution with full confidence that you get qualified. But don't let bad credit be the end of the world. Do something about it today. In my opinion, if you're watching this video, and you're still watching it, even after all the biblical references and God and all that stuff, because sometimes I turn people off by saying that, but I don't care. I don't work for you. I'm successful. Yes, oh, he sounds cocky and arrogant. No, I'm confident and I know who I am. Here's a different reference. It's not biblical, but I like Jay-Z. He says, if you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. You know, I'll skip the video, bro. But if you're still watching, that's proof that you know what? I rock with this. I'm tired of sweeping my credit under the rug. I'm tired of getting denied. I'm tired of getting rejected. I'm tired of having to settle for less. I'm tired of not having the quality lifestyle. I'm tired of not having abundance. I'm tired of working at a job I don't like. I want to quit my day job. I'm tired of not being at the place where I should be. Not being the best version of myself. It starts with your credit. Perfect your credit, and you'll see all the doors start opening to you. And that's what happened with me. I could not invest in real estate with bad credit, and that was my dream. And I realized just a simple thing as credit was holding me back from getting qualified for a mortgage. So instead of sweeping on the rug, I tackled it head on. And that's where I want you to be. Tackle it head on. You're an action taker. I can tell you are because you're still watching this video. So take action today. We're here to help you repair your credit to the point you can qualify for the best terms available. And we have the best program available to you because we focus on disputing the negative items in a quickly manner. We don't want to milk you for months on end and have you enrolled. No, we want your credit score to be improved as quickly as possible because we understand you might be an investor, you may be a business person, and you need funding. You need to be able to qualify for mortgages. So we want to make sure we repair your credit as quickly as possible because we have your best interests at heart. And we make sure we do whatever it takes to get your credit looking as squeaky clean, as pretty as Holly Berry. To apply, so we can call you for your free consultation.